Hello, everyone. Today, let's learn about the main technical standards of Common Cement, Chemical Index. According to Common Portland Cement, GB 175-2007, the main technical requirements of cement are divided into three aspects: Chemical Index, Physical Index, and Selectivity Index. The chemical index mainly includes the requirements for insoluble matter, loss on ignition, SO3, MgO, and chloride ion context. Let's have a look. This is an ex-factory inspection report of cement delivered to the site. Cement mixing piles are used to treat the ground of a resettlement housing project, and 59.28 tons of cement were delivered to the site. The ex-factory inspection report is shown in the figure. Please think about two questions. What technical indexes should be inspected when cement leaves the factory? Do the chemical indexes in the inspection report meet the requirements of the standard? Let's first learn about the main technical index of common cement from the standard. According to Common Portland Cement, GB 175-2007, the chemical index is a mandatory ex-factory inspection item of cement plant, but it is an optional index when engineering materials enter the site for re-inspection. Chemical indexes refer to unfavorable and harmful chemical components in cement, mainly including insoluble matter, loss on ignition, SO3, MgO, and chloride ions. Now, let's look at each chemical index and its requirements. The first chemical index is insoluble matter, which refers to the residue that is not dissolved by acid and alkali. It belongs to non-gelling components. A high content of insoluble matter will affect the gelling property of cement. The standard only tests the insoluble matter index for Portland cement. The second chemical index is loss on ignition, which refers to the mass lost after burning at 950 plus or minus 25 degrees Celsius for a long time. High loss on ignition indicates insufficient chemical reaction of cement during production and less available minerals. It will affect such indexes as standard consistency, strength, and setting time. The third chemical index is SO3. It is believed that SO3 is produced by adding excessive gypsum. Excessive SO3 continues to react with cement stone after cement hardens to generate calcium sulfoaluminate hydrate that is insoluble in water and expands in volume, greatly impacting the volume stability and setting time of cement. The fourth chemical index is MgO. MgO comes from the magnesian minerals, existing in the free state in clinker in limestone. MgO has poor activity and slow reaction speed. A high content of MgO will affect the volume stability of cement. Let's take a look. The use of cement with unqualified volume stability causes cracks and peeling off of the plaster surface, cracks, and damage to the pavement. The fifth chemical index is chloride ions, which comes from mixtures and additives. Chloride ions will react with steel bars in concrete to cause their corrosion, and the volume expansion of steel bars after corrosion will lead to damage to concrete. Let's take a look. This is because of the unqualified chloride ion content, which causes corrosion of steel bars in concrete structures and falling off of concrete. According to the provisions of Common Portland Cement, GB 175-2007, Different test methods shall be adopted for chemical indexes. Insoluble matter, loss on ignition, SO3, and MgO shall be tested according to methods for chemical analysis of cement, GB/T 176-2008, and chloride ions shall be tested according to methods for chemical analysis of chloride ions in cement, JC/T 420-2006. Let's have a summary of today's lesson. 1. The chemical indexes in the main technical standard of cement mainly include 5 items. That is, insoluble matter, loss on ignition, SO3, MgO, and chloride ion content. 2. Chemical index is the selected index for the re-inspection of engineering materials on site. 3. The inspection standards for chemical indexes are methods for chemical analysis of cement, GB/T 176-2008, and method for chemical analysis of chloride ions in cement, JC/T 420-2006. That's all for this class. Thank you.